Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl Owen Company. Today we got Robert from Fill-Rite.
Yo, here I am, man. Are you ready to get pumped up? Man?
Yeah, I'm ready to get pumped up.
Oh, yeah,
So
man.
we're gonna unbox this Fill-Rite pump. What kind of pump we got here?
Nathan, this right here is the FR1210H. This is the flagship pump in our product line. It's the legacy product that we've had for years. Cast iron housing. I mean, it's a bad boy.
I see these bad boys all over the road.
Oh, yeah.
On people's trucks. So
Absolutely.
let's do the unboxing.
Man, let's get down to the meat and potatoes of this, man.
Let's do it.
First item that we're going to take out of the box today, Nate, it's going to be the wire.
Okay.
This is an 18-foot wire that is supplied with the pump, with the ground wire that comes with it. This is what needs to be utilized within the pump on the install.
All right.
I do not suggest anybody using anything other than what is supplied with the pump. Second thing coming out of the box is going to be your hose. This is going to be a 12-foot, 3/4-inch hose that is utilized with this pump. Now, we offer some variations of different models that we can do with some automatics, with some longer hoses and different things. We also offer accessories. If a person buys this pump, decides they need a 14-foot hose or they need a 20-foot hose, we offer that in our accessory items as well. The next item coming up is going to be the suction tube. This is a telescoping suction tube. This is designed so that you can, it self-adjust, and this where this becomes a big factor is there's no measuring or cutting of the product. So whenever this is screwed into the housing of the pump and it's going into this tank, is that you would set the pump into the tank, push it down to where the threads meet the bung where it screws into, and just screw it into it, and it self-adjusts with the openings at the bottom. And what that does, it keeps you from having the opportunity for error by cutting suction tube too short and therefore leaving residual fuel in the tank.
That's great. So you can get the whole length of the tank to get all your fuel and liquid out. Perfect.
Next thing coming in the box is going to be your accessory items that comes for the install. You're going to have the elbow that goes into the pump housing that then hooks to the hose. You also have some Teflon tape to create a tight seal or a good positive seal. You have a junction connection loop that goes into the junction box where the wires go in to connect where it seals it. And then also you have the wire nuts for the power cable and the bolt that goes into the nozzle boot for the install of the nozzle boot.
And the instructions.
And the instructions.
Wow, who needs those? No, I'm just playing. Always need instructions. Use those bad boys.
And this is the manual nozzle. This comes standard in the 1210H. We also offer versions with an automatic, which would be the 1210HA. Or you can purchase through the accessory side. You can buy an automatic nozzle as well.
So the thing with the manual nozzle, there's no shut off.
There's no shut off.
Okay, so the automatic will automatically shut off when it reaches
just like
the
what
level.
you have happen at your fueling station.
Okay.
Once we get to this point, you're going to pull the tray out of the box that reveals the pump and the nozzle boot. First thing we're going to pull out is going to be the nozzle boot. Okay. This is what, once attached to the pump, it hooks into. Oh, okay. And then it secures the nozzle into the boot. Also giving it a location to where on the lever switch on the pump and the lock bar that you can actually put a padlock through it and secure your fuel that's in your tank, deterring theft. The final item here is the pump itself. One thing to talk about that's a major factor in this is that Fill-Rite is an American-made pump company. This is American cast iron right here that is made within 160 miles of the Fort Wayne, Indiana facility.
America.
Absolutely, absolutely. And it's a rotary pump with a vane pump, and the technology is tried and true. This is the pump head itself.
Oh, that's got some weight to it there.
It does. I mean, it's got some. It's made to last. Man.
Okay, all right.
Made to last. But as you can see, here's the locking bar, as well as the shut-off lever. That whenever you have the nozzle boot, where you can lock your fuel and everything. One of the things that we did on the H was that we made the junction box where it was 180 degrees, where you could rotate it, making it to where the power connection could be either at the front of the pump or at the back of the pump. Just a fantastic design. These pumps are they're very relied upon. in very remote areas because people know that they will function for them.
Well, appreciate you joining us today, brother.
Hey, brother, I appreciate the time to be here. We would just ask that you support both Fill-Rite and Arlo.
So if you want more information about this pump, hit up Fill-Rite. Is it fillrite.com?
It is, fillrite.com.
Fillrite.com or go to earlowen.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe and tune in every Friday for more product reviews, installations, and unboxings like this.